Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Horler and I'm here with Jeremy Light of Accenture. We're talking about PSD2 and open banking. Jeremy, thanks for joining me.
It's a pleasure.
What are the key questions your clients have on PSD2 and more generally open banking?
Questions they're asking us are first of all, where's the demand going to come from? Secondly, what is the likely take-up rate of payment initiation and account information services? And thirdly, what should they be doing in the period between the PSD2 comes into force in January 2018 and when the strong customer authentication rules come in, which will be at least 12 months after that.
So what does this mean for the payments industry and how are banks responding to it?
First of all, demand is going to come from the merchants, in particular the big merchants and the big tech merchants. For them, payments is now strategic because the way they interact with their customers across online, mobile and physical point of sale channels is becoming increasingly complex, and payments are a critical part of those interactions. And the market to supply those merchants with new payment services is wide open. And it's much bigger than payments, and it's also much bigger than banking. These merchants are going to be creating services that combine APIs for payments with balance information, with credit, with location services, with product information, real-time information and so on. So it's going to be a complete change, and the way banks can provide payment services into those is going to become critical.
And what are you advising your clients?
Well, the two options they have is to comply or to compete. By complying, you just get to Basecamp. By striking out from Basecamp, there's a huge opportunity for banks. I see there's a triple whammy of benefits. If they treat APIs as products, first of all, they can create a new revenue stream. Secondly, they can use third parties, i.e. merchants, to become a distribution channel for those products and to do the heavy lifting in distributing them. And thirdly, they can participate in completely new customer experiences which others will create. So it can be a huge benefit to those who want to compete rather than just comply. The other point discussing with clients is that execution is absolutely critical. Not only do they need a capability to supply APIs externally, organisationally they need to be able to run it as a business, and commercially they need to be able to go to market and take APIs to market. And they should be focused on outcomes. So, for example, the gap between PSD2 going into force and the strong customer authentication rules doesn't really matter, because they should be focused on providing a capability that reduces fraud significantly while also creating a seamless and frictionless customer experience. So, in my view, the ability to execute is absolutely critical, and that will separate winners from losers.
Jeremy, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.